This is the Insta360 1-inch. Today, I will show you how to install the SD card and get it ready for capture. To begin, you'll have to remove the top camera. There are two quick release buttons on the sides. Gently press those and put the camera off to the side. Next, you'll have to open up the battery latch. This will allow you to take the interior of the camera out. Once you remove it, pull the two pieces apart, and there you'll be able to see the SD port. With the logo facing downward away from the screen, you're able to install the SD card. From here going forward, all you will have to do is charge the battery on the side. And if the SD card ever gets full, you can format that within the camera settings without ever having to go back into that port. Now, to activate the camera, turn the Insta on. It'll prompt you on the screen for some instructions. Then you'll need to download the Insta360 app. You'll click at the bottom, make sure you have Bluetooth enabled, and it will find the camera in the vicinity, and it will start updating any firmware or updates that the camera needs. Once the camera is activated, you do not need to do this process again. Going forward, you will begin with the DroneDeploy Ground app, where you will connect to the camera and capture. Two last quick tips. If you scroll down, scroll to the right, you'll see a settings icon, the first option of general, and scrolling down to auto power off. Set that to never. This makes sure the camera doesn't enable sleep mode whenever you are just turning it on and walking around with it. Next, go back to the settings, scroll down to SD card. Later on down the line, once the SD card begins to get full, this is where you can delete all the memory on the SD card. Once you begin using the DroneDeploy Ground app, you will be able to upload all of your captures to the cloud, so having a local backup is a preference but not a necessity.